This is a review of the RYOBI 40-volt lithium battery that I would definitely recommend. So if you own any RYOBI accessories that are 40 volt, then you know that it is very important to have that, just to make your RYOBI products work, because the battery is required. And so far this one works very fast and efficiently. And also, if you are looking for additional batteries to power up additional RYOBI accessories, if you have more RYOBI like products, then this is something that's very important to have, so you can have multiple sets of them. And so far this one works very fast and efficiently, and it works very smooth. Now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to put this in my charging station to show you guys how easy it is to put it in when it comes time to charge it up. Okay, so here's my 40 volt charging station for my RYOBI Lithium 40 volt battery, and it's very easy to put inside. All you have to do is just slide it, and it goes in, smooth and easy, just like this. So you could just see just like that, and I pressed it, and you can see that it needs charging, and it's at a low battery percentage. And right over here, to remove it, you just press a tab underneath here, and you just slide it out just like that. So when I take it out, it just comes off just like that. But overall, if you're looking for a replacement or additional RYOBI Lithium 40 volt battery, then this is by far one of the best batteries to get, because of the fact that it works very fast and efficiently, and it is the genuine RYOBI battery itself.